Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I have something a little different. I have a small Bath and Body Works haul. I needed a few candles, it was an end of summer sale. I needed some hand sanitizer, so let's get into these boxes and see what I picked up. So these shipped separately, and I think that this little one on top is hand sanitizers. I have, and I know you guys probably have too, during what we've been going through for the last couple of years, I have tried so many new hand sanitizers. And it doesn't matter what I use. Whenever I go back to reaching for one of my, it's almost empty, small Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers, I just dropped like a 10-pound bag of candles on a basket. I get that in a second. Look, they shipped in bags. I love these. I like the scents of them. I like the way they don't leave you, I've learned so much. Some of them leave you slick, some of them pill up. These are always perfect. I'm gonna get that box, be right back. I got the box back. On one hand, I feel like, oh, poor squished basket. And on the other hand, I feel kind of like, oof, I bet if that big old thing of jars had hit the floor, it would have ended differently. So I ordered 2 different 5-packs because they were having an end of summer sale. And normally you can get, is it 5 for $6 or 6 for $5? These 5-packs were like $3 each on sale. They were crazy good deals. I actually selected 3 different scents, but by the time I went through to place my order, they were down to these 2. I was looking for my glasses, like, where in the world are my glasses? Last place I looked. Okay, the 2 scents that I ended up getting were coconut colada, because if you watch the channel, you know I will take anything coconut. So I have 5 of these, and then I have 5 orange sunrises. So I'm gonna try one. We'll just try this coconut colada, because coconut. This one is one of the ones with the little blue in it. Oh, hope you guys could see that before it ran completely. Oh yeah, before it ran completely down my hand. These they kind of absorb and dry fairly quickly, but not so quickly that you feel like they're not working. They don't leave you slick. They don't pill at all. And now I smell like a coconut pina colada. Is that not redundant? I think it might be. It smells so good. Let's just see if just by opening this one we can smell it. Oh, it does. It smells good. It smells like orange. And that's something else. How many of your hand sanitizers that you're using right now would you want to be like, oh, that smells good? This smells really good. Okay, now this heavy box over here that just crashed the basket. Let's get into it. I don't remember how many candles I ordered. I want to say 4 or 5. I already have quite a few fall candles in the shop. But you know what? I bought so many I shouldn't even say this because it's probably not true. I bought so many fall candles last year, I probably won't even need to buy them this year. She said it, but she didn't mean it. So apparently I bought 5 candles because now they are all individually wrapped. They used to come in like an egg crate type thing. Last time they came in, it was almost like a little box, but it was suspended in the middle. It was like magical how it looked. So do you guys like candles? I'm gonna assume since you're in here watching, you probably do. So my first one out, I have no idea since I can't tell from the outside. It was very secure in here. And the first one out is called a banana cabana. How pretty is that jar? A lot of times the same scents come in several different jars, so you can pick the one that fits your decor the most. In the summer, I feel most whimsical, so I thought this one was super cute. I couldn't remember what it smelled like though. Not going to the store. I have in the past placed orders online. I'd say I'm about 50-50 with placing an order or getting to a store. It just depends on what I have the time for. But of course now, it's been a long time since I've been in a store, especially how many things do you want to walk up to this day and go, not too many. So I haven't been to a store to check out scents in forever. So I kind of had to just go, oh my goodness, I smell the banana. I kind of had to just go by the names. This smells like banana. It smells kind of like a BB bat, or a banana runt, that candy-ish banana scent. But that's okay with me. And I love that the jar is kind of like, it's not frosted, it's just kind of like a slightly opaque white. I know when it's lit, you're gonna be able to see through it. It is a basic top. Sometimes they have all kinds of designs going on top. It doesn't matter to me because when I take this downstairs to use it, I take this off and chuck it, and I just leave this sitting where I keep my candles. I should tell you, just in case you are new to Bath and Body Works candles, these are big. These are 14.5 ounces. So that's a pretty good sized candle, and they say that they will burn from 25 to 45 hours, and it just depends on how you burn it. When you burn it, you need is a hard word, for it to burn at its best. It's a 3-wick candle. There we go. For it to burn at its best, you want to let it burn all the way out to the edge. Because if you let it form a hole in the middle, it will then burn down that hole. So if you let it burn all the way to the edge, it will continue burning all the way to the edge, and you will use, I will say every last drop, but it's not. You will end up with just a skosh on the bottom that you can't use. What else do you need to know about these? They are, I will have to let you know down here. I want to say they are oh, it probably says $24.50 is the actual retail of them. I got these for less than half price. I think 3 of them were $11.95 and 2 of them were $10.95. And I consider myself lucky when they have them like half price. So this was a crazy good deal. And this Banana Cabana scented candle, they say is sun-kissed banana, sea spray, warm vanilla, and it's made with essential oils. It says do not burn candle in more than 4-hour intervals and do not extinguish with water. I trusted you. They are 100% satisfaction guaranteed. A lot of times when you sniff them, they smell fantastic, and that's the cold scent. But when you burn them, that's considered the throw. How much does it smell when you burn it? And I've heard of people taking them back just because when they burned them, they didn't have much of a throw. And what people are looking for in these candles is a good throw, because they will scent your entire house. Well, I mean, unless you live in a huge mansion, and then buy 2. This is the Black Cherry Merlot. Full disclosure, it's not for me, it's for my daughter. She loves the Black Cherry Merlot and she buys them for herself all the time. But when I was placing this order, this was on sale and it was in a jar that I have not seen very often. It's just a regular silver top and it's such a cute jar. I like the Black Cherry Merlot too. I don't know why I don't buy it for my house. Whenever I see it on sale, I pick them up for her. And I don't ever think, oh, you know what? I would like my house to smell like that too, although I think my brain would find it confusing because when I have this scent in my brain, I'm busy thinking of her house. This box is different and it's like it's sealed. How do I get my candle? It's like it is sealed and I can't get it open. I could get my knife involved. So if you guys have any questions about this, just let me know below, and if it's something I can answer, I will. If it's how to most efficiently open the candles, I probably can't answer it. This one I'm just opening like it was a box that came in the mail and I opened it from the side. This one is Iced Blueberry Biscotti. While it does have a kitchen-y name, I got it thinking that the jar is so pretty that I think I might want to put this in my bedroom. It's going to depend on how much blueberry there is versus how much biscotti there is. Oh, I didn't tell you, the Black Cherry Merlot says it's dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous Merlot with natural essential oils. Its primary scent is absolutely the cherry. This iced blueberry, are you ready? Oh, it smells good. It smells mostly like blueberry. I like that a lot. And it's just a 3-wick white candle. The blue is gonna, again, light up. It's gonna be gorgeous. Yeah, that's very nice. I don't know that that's a scent I want in my bedroom. It's a very kitchen-y scent, but it's gorgeous and I will love it in the kitchen. And it's another one of the basic tops, just for the record. It's kind of a brushed brass look. See, they come in so many. This is a brushed brass look. This is black. This one is silver. They have so many looks. Oof, it's another one of the hard boxes. I wonder why there were some, yeah, they're completely different. See, this is the ones that I was opening. It's just like a box and this part just lifts up like a box. These, they're completely sealed. So to get in them, you have to rip one of these sides open. I don't know how they did, I guess they glued it. Never mind, I was gonna be like, it's magic, how'd they get it in there? Ooh, it's another pretty blue one. Maybe this is the one that I thought I'd get for the bedroom. Nope, probably not. Probably not. This one is salted, what is it? Salted pretzel milkshake. I probably did. I mean, although my milkshake, no, I won't. I'm sure I got this for the kitchen. It is the black top. I get the salted. I guess the milkshake is just that sweet back that they're talking about, and the pretzel, it has a slightly bready scent. I like it a lot though. I bet it burns very nicely. Creamy vanilla ice cream, salty pretzel bits, gooey chocolate drizzle. Yeah, I don't get the chocolate in this one. Did I tell you the blueberry biscotti? They say is sugared blueberries, sweet vanilla icing, almond biscotti, and brown sugar. And I think that sounds perfect because that sounds like a blueberry biscotti, and that's exactly what it smells like. Last out of the box. Ooh, it's pink. We have Sunshine and Dreams. This is the one that I got to get me through the end of summer. I'm sure when they did it, they were thinking spring. That is what it looks like. This one has a cool wavy top. And this one says that it is shimmering sun rays. Have you ever smelled a shimmering sun ray? Sweet magnolia, jasmine, sandalwood. All right, ready? Oh, that's nice. Not as much sandalwood as I was hoping for. I like a nice floral scent, but I was also hoping that that sandalwood would come in from the back and stop it from being overly floral. It is gorgeous though. It smells very pretty. My husband's probably gonna be like, what's going on in here? Is that a new perfume? Because it doesn't smell like what I would choose. Okay, that's my little Bath & Body Works haul. I love their candles. I should have started that. That's what I should have started this video with. Why are you showing me your candles, Kathrin? Because I love their candles, and they are $24.50. And if I had bought them at full price, I have 5 here. I was just gonna try and stack them, and we all know that's not gonna end well. I have 5 here, and it would have been a very expensive proposition. One would say it would have been approximately $122, $123. And instead, I got 3 of them for, I'm gonna round, basically $12, and 2 of them for $11. So basically for $58, which is less than half price, I got all 5 of those candles. Plus, for like $6, I got 10 of these, 5 of these, and 5 of these. I love a Bath & Body Works sale. You can't beat it. Granted, a lot of the times, if you want a sale this deep, you are buying at the end of a season, but fall is coming. And if you want to spend $24.50 on a candle for fall, they are happy to have you do it. You could probably do it right now. That said, if you have any interest in these, sign up for their emails because they do buy 1, get 1 free, buy 3, get 2 free. They do a lot of sales, a lot of sales. I would never, probably shouldn't ever use that word, but I'm using it now, pay full price for a Bath & Body Works candle, because all you have to do is wait for a week or 2 and something is going to go on sale. Okay, thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below who your favorite candles are. I love these. I have a whole shelf downstairs dedicated to them. I have kitchen ones and bedroom ones and all of the seasons. I just love them. This is what I like my house to smell like. I've even gotten my husband to the point where he likes them. He likes the autumn ones because he likes the ones that they say are like autumn leaves because they look very masculine on the front. Thanks again, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye, guys.